I have $101 to thrift new furniture for my apartment. Today I'm looking for a funky teapot. Match the style of these glasses I thrifted for $6. See what we can find at the thrift store. I have never seen this before. Look closely at the handles. What do you think those are? Mini Coca-Cola bottle. Do you love it or hate it? Let's put it in the cart and think about it. The teapots. I'm so excited about this find, but it's missing. This is a pencil organizer from 1966. I don't love the color. I think this is a really tall, skinny flower vase, but it is not a teapot. Okay, I need your help. Do I get this Coca-Cola tray? Here's my problem. I have been looking everywhere online to find this tray. Is it vintage? Where is it from? Who made this? I can find nothing. So if you could help me investigate where the heck this tray came from. It's $9 with my coupon. I'm gonna get it, but I might take it back depending on what it actually is. If it's worth anything, who made it, all those fun facts. Let's figure this out together, and I hope it's something good. Also, for my American friends, you can find me on IG or YouTube. My handle's the same, Alex F. Bailey. I hope we can still hang out here together. I'm Canadian, so I'll still be posting on TikTok. But truly, thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your support. I'm so grateful that you choose to spend your time with me, and I wish you the best thrifting luck now and always. Also, I kind of regret not getting this wiener dog.